Putting loops back onto the mesh stick or netting gauge. Removing the loops from your mesh stick is very easy to do. Just hold on to the loops with one hand and hold the mesh stick with the other hand. Then pull the hands apart. Putting the loops back onto the mesh stick may be a bit more challenging. When you are ready to put the loops back onto the mesh stick or netting gauge, locate the first loop to be placed onto the mesh stick. This is the last loop formed. Open the loop and place the mesh stick down into the loop from right to left. Open the next loop on the left and insert the mesh stick down into the loop. Continue opening the next loop on the left and inserting the mesh stick down into the loop until you either run out of loops to place on the mesh stick or have enough loops on the mesh stick to feel comfortable netting.